show everyone, they will do this split, and how to do it, I will show you some new exercise which you can do for warm up your leg. Okay, we will slowly stand up in this position, and what we're starting to do, we're starting push our knees on the block and stretch back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay in this position and starting to push and take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now we're starting to pushing. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now our hands do circle, take back leg, stay. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Catch leg and try keep the balance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after that try slowly slide and take back leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly go down, take our heel on this side and slowly stretch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will hope that you like this video. Write me in the comments which videos you want and follow me. So thank you. Bye bye.